If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To make all the lanterns included in this video, you will need 4 clean 4-pint milk cartons, LED tea lights, green and orange paint, a paintbrush and paint palette, black crepe paper, black card, a black felt tip marker, googly eyes, faux spiders and cobwebs, glue dots and PVA glue, scissors, and something 20 centimeters wide to draw around. For each of the designs, start by cutting away the bottom third of the milk carton using scissors. To make the pumpkin, paint the entirety of the carton using orange paint. Once dry, you may need to add another layer of orange paint. Once the paint is completely dry, draw or paint on the pumpkin's face. To make the witch design, paint the entirety of the carton using green paint. Once dry, you may need to add another layer. Once the paint is completely dry, draw or paint on the witch's face. Add 2 googly eyes. To make the witch's hat, cut a 20 centimeter diameter circle from black card. Cut a slit halfway into the centre of the circle. Apply glue dots along the edge of one side of the split. Wrap the paper around to create a cone shape. Cut 1 centimeter slits around the edge of the hat through all the layers of the card. Fold the slits to a 90-degree angle to create the brim of the hat. Cut strips of black crepe paper to create the hair and adhere these to the inside of the hat. Place the hat on top of the milk carton. For the spooky spiderweb design, cover the top section of the milk carton with PVA glue. Allow the glue to set for at least 1 minute before applying the faux spider's web to the carton. Once happy with the positioning of the webs, add in the spiders. To make the Frankenstein design, paint the carton with green paint until you're happy with the coverage. Once the final layer of paint is dry, draw or paint on the Frankenstein's face. To complete all the designs, add 2 LED tea lights.